the lecture on how to earn income immediately once you start your YouTube audiobook channel. Now, this is an example of you implanting or embedding a video ad within your audiobook. This is not YouTube income. This is you creating affiliate income or selling one of your other products. Let's take a listen.
The author, Sandy Ingram, holds the print, digital, and audio rights.
Educational games for kids. Eureka! A geography and math game for kids on YouTube. Finding Eureka is the name of the game, except you must use your geography and math skills to help Detective Jargo traveling the world to find Eureka.
Narrated by Street Poet. As I sat, waiting for the aircraft to back away from...
That's how you embed an affiliate or a service or a product video into your audiobook. That's how you earn income immediately. And YouTubers are doing very, very well with this technique. This is where you can get your promotional video done for you. I will leave a link in the resources. And remember when I said you always want to give the Fiverr freelancer a professional image, your professional image that you have paid for, and or music? Well, that does not apply to this particular situation. And it doesn't apply for a couple of reasons. One, this is an explainer video, and she doesn't really use images. Let me show you.
Look, you need a way to grab your audience's attention, and we know exactly how to do that with an explainer video. We are experts. We have thousands of positive reviews. I mean, just take a look at our work. We have high-quality animations, background music, and of course, professional voiceovers. So, if you want your audience to pay attention, and you want your business to skyrocket because of that, then you need an explainer video. Order an explainer video today. Trust us, you'll be happy you did.
Okay, she has over 2,000 customers, clients, and none of them have complained about her work. So we have to trust this particular gig. Okay, this is where I must warn you. When YouTube viewers view online videos for YouTube, they are always given the option to opt out of the ad after a certain amount of time. When you, I, and other YouTubers embed our own advertisement into our videos, the viewer is not given this option. And we must be very, very sure that we don't upset our viewers and that they don't feel trapped, because they kind of have to listen or look at the ad that you put into the audiobook in the beginning if they want to hear the free audiobook. So I strongly, strongly suggest that you never ever make your ad over 15 to 30 seconds long, that you keep it short. And that's why I highly recommend that you make it an automated video, because people, for some strange reason, they like automation. And that will help you to help them to forgive you for presenting them with the ad that they cannot really opt out of unless they stop the video and move forward. which they can do. But when you're getting ready to listen to an audiobook, you just kind of relax back. And for this same reason, I don't recommend that you put ads into the middle of the audiobook either. Put it at the very beginning or put it at the very end. That's my strong recommendation.